ya here. I'm sure you have heard it in Spanish.
Y sabes que son muchos años de cargar una culpa. Y ya no más.
Hello guys, it's Maria from De Una Spanish School, and today I had a bad hair day, so I decided why not to show it to the world and make a video. Hi. So in this video I have a topic for you that is for people who are intermediate in Spanish, and I think it will be very useful for you. Have you seen that in Spanish, well, and it's the word or the article, however, an adverb, however you want to call it, ya here. I'm sure you have heard it in Spanish.
Y sabes que son muchos años de cargar una culpa. Y ya no más.
Have you seen that in English you have things as get in, get out, get into, and is get all the time, sorry, the pointer of the old videos. So have you seen that it means different things with different, you just add a different particle and it means a different thing, but it's very useful. So ya, it's kind of similar in Spanish, and I'm going to teach you how to use ya to say all these different things that you're going to very much need. So numero uno, ya plus present means now. So ya alone in the end of the sentence is now. Necesito ir al hospital ya. I need to go to the hospital now. Done, right? So for example, ya me voy means I'm leaving now. Ya voy a tu casa. I'm going to your house now. O voy a tu casa ya. You can use it in the beginning or you can use it in the end. It's ya plus present in a sentence is going to mean now. Okay? Numero dos. Sometimes you are going to find ya plus past, a verb in past in Spanish. For example, ya comiste, and this is going to mean already in English, okay? Ya comiste, it means have you eaten already? Ya llegué, I already arrived. Oh, ¿viste la película Harry Potter? Sí, ya la vi, I already saw it. Ya la vi, you know it's all in past, so ya plus past means already. And the third one, it's ya plus a negative. So for example, if you say ya no quiero comer, you see that the no is there. So this is going to mean I don't want to eat anymore. Ya no quiero hablar contigo. I don't want to talk to you anymore. And those are the many uses of ya. So remember, ya plus present, now. Ya plus past, already. Ya llegué, ya fui, already. Ya, I already went. And ya plus negative, ya no más, not anymore. That's anymore. So that's it. That was a very fast video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.